guys a little update on my avocado plants, as well as do a little rundown again of how I grow an avocado plant from its seed. If you haven't seen my first video, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere, but in that video I do a little bit more of how to peel avocado to prepare to grow the plant. But yeah, so let's get started with this video. Okay, so I've been doing this for a while now. I really enjoy seeing the process of growing my own little avocado plant from its seed. And today I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so quick little rundown. After you guys enjoy your avocado, you're going to remove the seed and then remove the thin layer of skin over the seed. And if you want to see exactly how I do that, it's all in that last video that I mentioned, which I'll link. But this is what it'll look like after you remove that layer of skin. This one is already cracking. And what you're going to want to do first after doing that is getting a paper towel and getting it wet so it can be nice and moist, and you're going to get the seed and wrap that and put it inside of a Ziploc bag. In here I already have a bunch of seeds, so I want to show you guys after a few weeks of letting them just sit in the Ziploc bag. You're going to end up with a bunch of avocado seeds that are ready to be put in water or soil, because you'll see the roots are starting to grow. Okay, so here I have 5 avocado seeds that have been sitting in a Ziploc bag for a couple of weeks. Definitely not all the same amount of time. Some actually grow faster than others. This big one took a really long time. I've had it in there for a long time. But I'm finally gonna put it in water. And these little ones have been growing so quickly. All right, so once they're like this and they're ready to go, you're gonna wanna get either a jar if you're gonna put it in water, or a nice little pot to put them directly in soil. Either way will work, but I personally like seeing them grow in the cute little jars. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so when you have your seeds looking like this, you can directly put them into soil, or you can put them in cute little jars so you could see them grow. I personally like doing it like this, and I leave it on my kitchen windowsill so you can get a lot of light. So yeah, just get any jar that you like. You're gonna place them directly into the water like that. And this guy has been growing so well, and it's only been in the water for about 3 weeks, or 3.5 weeks. And all these have been placed in their jars at the same time, so you can see all of them grow at different paces, as well as when they're in the paper towel. So don't be surprised if you haven't seen a root grow after even like 3 weeks. Just let them sit there for longer, and I promise you it will grow. And what I do, because I have had some that just take way too long and I'm impatient, every time I have an avocado, I'll save the seed and just do it, because why not just keep trying? Sometimes the seed isn't that effective, so I recommend just trying it out on every single seed. Okay, so these have been growing for about 3.5 weeks in their jars. And this guy I've had in here for a while. As you can see, the roots are super, super long. And what you want to do sometimes to promote new growth is to start removing some of the old leaves, like this one and this one. There was one here that I removed, and some just that don't look that healthy, I'll just go ahead and like snap them off, like this one and this one. So just go ahead and do that. And then you also, I also recommend trimming some of the roots as they get really long. Some of them will start dying off. as you can see, you'll see some brown roots right there, which I'll be snipping off later. And then that's basically like the second step. You'll have a larger avocado plant, and you could easily leave them in water like this, but I'll probably be potting this into soil soon, which is what I did with these two. So these two are in their own pots in soil, and I leave them outside. So this guy's obviously doing really well compared to this one. I potted them at the exact same time, but this one, I was neglecting a little bit. The plant was actually it looked like it was dying, so I trimmed it at the top, and right away it started growing in a completely new spot right here, and it's looking way healthier. And then it has another little baby plant right here. So if your plant looks like it's dying, I recommend just trimming it a little bit, and just keep taking care of it, water it, give it good enough light, and it'll still go ahead and grow. Like this one has been in a shadier spot compared to this one where it gets direct sunlight. What I'm guessing happened is that I gave it too much light and not enough water, because since it's outside, I kind of neglected those plants, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm guessing that's what happened with this guy. And this guy sits on the patio, so it gets some good shade, and it's been growing super well. So as I'm editing this video, I realized I never even did an outro or really ended it. Really sorry guys, I get a little shy when I'm not the only one at home. But this is not the last update I will be giving you on my avocado plants. I want them to get so much better, bigger, healthier. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way I'm a little more motivated to do these videos for you. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Clasicasita. That is where I post daily updates on my plants and just day-to-day life stuff. So yeah, thanks again guys. See you next video.